Aston Martin reveals 937 horsepower Valhalla hybrid supercar. Aston Martin has revealed the production-ready version of the Valhalla supercar, complete with a 937 horsepower hybrid power unit comprising a 4.0-litre, twin-turbo V8 engine and dual-electric motors. This is the production version of the Valhalla concept car featured in the upcoming James Bond movie, No Time to Die, and is being developed with input from Aston Martin F1 drivers Sebastian Vettel, Lance Stroll and Nico Hülkenberg. The Valhalla is the first series production mid-engined car from Aston Martin, and will see the British sports car brand take on the likes of Ferrari and Lamborghini in a market sector it has not competed in before. Following in the tyre tracks of the Valkyrie, a limited edition hypercar, the mid-engined Valhalla is to be a more affordable, non-limited supercar. Revving to 7,200 RPM, the engine alone sends 740 horsepower to the rear axle, while a pair of electric motors distribute a further 200 horsepower to both axles depending on where it is needed most. The motors are fed by a 150 kilowatt, 400V electric system, and when driven in EV-only mode the Valhalla sends electric power to its front axle, can travel at up to 80 miles per hour and has a range of up to 10.5 miles. When turned up to 11 and using the engine and motors together, the plug-in Valhalla can sprint to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 2.5 seconds and has a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Aston Martin says it is targeting a Nürburgring Nordschleife lap time of 6:30. Despite the electrical system, Aston Martin is targeting a dry weight of less than 1,550 kilograms, resulting in what the company describes as an unrivaled power-to-weight ratio compared to its class rivals. There's no official word on who those rivals are, but seeing the Valhalla in a twin test with the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, a fellow 1,000 horsepower hybrid supercar, isn't a stretch of the imagination. Aston Martin Chief Executive Tobias Moers said, "Preserving the essence of an exceptional concept car is vital when meeting the challenge of bringing it into production. With Valhalla not only have we stayed true to our commitment to build a world-beating supercar, but we have exceeded our original aims. The result is a pure driving machine. The car is said to produce an adjustable and authentic Aston Martin sound character via its lightweight exhaust system with active flaps and top exit tailpipes. Power is sent through an all-new, 8-speed DCT transmission exclusively designed and built for Aston Martin, and said to be developed specifically for the hybrid era. The gearbox utilizes the electric motors for an all-electric reverse, saving weight due to there being no need for a reverse gear, and there is also an electronic limited slip differential on the rear axle. As well as being used for reverse, the electric motors augment the V8 to help launch the Valhalla off the line, and to improve in-gear response. A neat trick of the electric drive system is how the motors and V8 engine are able to run different gears of the DCT box simultaneously, enabling a maximum torque delivery of 1,000 Nm, 737 foot-pound. Ralf Illenberger, head of powertrain engineering, said, "Valhalla is our first opportunity to really show what we are capable of in a true production sense. We have created our own bespoke air-to-air charge-cooled, flat-plane crank V8 engine and have combined it with a powerful hybrid system. The Valhalla is built upon a new carbon fiber tub for maximum stiffness and low weight, and features a Formula One-style push-rod front suspension with inboard mounted springs and dampers to reduce unsprung mass. A track mode sees the car's ride height drop significantly to maximize downforce. Braking is provided by carbon discs operated with brake-by-wire technology, and they sit behind wheels shod in bespoke Michelin tires developed for the Valhalla. Active aerodynamics at the front and rear, along with venturi tunnels beneath, help to create 600 kilograms of downforce at 150 miles per hour. Open the vertical dihedral doors, and the interior, which is yet to be shown in public, features an F1-style paired-back cockpit that Aston says is unashamedly focused around the driver. A new infotainment system features a central touchscreen that offers both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Valhalla is offered in both left and right-hand drive, with adjustable pedals and steering column, while the base of the seat is fixed to the chassis. Raised footwells give the Valhalla a seating position similar to that of a Formula One car, and of the even more extreme Valkyrie. Despite the stripped-back, racer car feel, the cabin benefits from dual-zone air conditioning, while safety features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, active cruise control, blind spot monitoring and a rear-view parking camera. Aston Martin is yet to say how much the Valhalla will cost, and when it will go on sale. However, a price range in the $1 million to $3 million range can be expected.